How to transfer your notes to WordPress on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your notes to WordPress on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now just click these three lines here and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and now just go down until you find transfer a copy of your information and then click next, and here just click WordPress and go to posts and click none if you want to transfer only your notes, and now click next and then just connect your Facebook with WordPress, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and then see you in the next video.